How's it, YouTube? Hey, we are going to be working in the garden today. I'm just checking, make sure I'm in focus. Anyway, there's the project behind us. It's going to be the same as the other side of the garden, which is blurry, so I'm not even trying to show you. And that's the plan. Looks alright. YouTube, we're back. The workers. The wife's been silly. Morning, day 2, working in the garden. Got a bit of bricklaying to do. Stones to put down hopefully. I'm going to do another time lapse of it and we see how we get on. It's lovely at the moment, nice blue sky ahead of us, quite cool, hence the long sleeves, and yeah, so I'll get going shortly, having coffee, and then we'll go for it. Wow, these robins, you dig up the ground and they just pick up the worms. And yeah, they even start whistling at you like, get out of the way, come on, move, I want to get that worm. Oh no, there again. Today is day 3 of working in the garden. We got some we got a little tidying up to do. I'm going to spray paint little boxes for flower pots, garden thing. Got a back breaking work to do as well, shoveling stones, 2 bulb bags to empty out all of the path, area that we've made up, dug up. So we've got a bit of work to do. Backs are really aching. And I'm about to break the floor. Lovely, eh? There's my doggy. There's my doggy. Hello, mates. There's my mate. Yes. Okay. Is that nice? Okay. Anyway, time to go work. We've got a time lapse coming up. Or on its way now. Whatever. Goes off.